Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at general crypto market. The last 1 week has been crazy. We have seen huge pumps to the upside. Some altcoins are having crazy bounce from the bottom. Bitcoin Cash has been leading the charge. It's up over 108% in the last 1 week. We'll be taking a look at general crypto market. Bitcoin has been rallying above $30,000. The rest of the altcoin market is catching up to Bitcoin. We'll be looking at news stories happening in the crypto world. When are we going to see Altseason? What's happening next in the coming days and in the coming weeks? We'll also be taking a look at the Bitcoin price chart, the Ethereum price chart. Also looking at Bitcoin dominance in the market. Bitcoin dominance in the market has been on a tear since October 2022. Total crypto market cap sits at $1 trillion. How high can we go over the next few weeks? We're taking a look at other metrics in the market. Greed has returned to the crypto market. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Optimism is returning back to the cryptocurrency market. We are seeing pumps on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame, and right now there is renewed hope that we're going to see higher prices in the next few weeks. All coins are having a push off the bottom, but guys, let's not forget a lot of these altcoins had huge dumps to gobbling town over the last 1 month. But one altcoin that has been showing huge sign of strength over the last few days has been Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash has been rallying aggressively to higher prices. But not Bitcoin Cash alone. It all started with the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin started this rally way back in December 2022 when it was trading for as low as $16,500. And even though we've been through a lot of pumps, a lot of dumps, a lot of uncertainty in the market, Bitcoin has found a way to rally itself above $30,000. We have even set a new high for 2023. The previous high for 2023 was Bitcoin trading around the $31,000 level. But we saw Bitcoin over the last 7 days rally above $31,000, even getting to as high as $31,427. If you go to the market and you check on the weekly time frame, you see that Bitcoin is up 13%, Ethereum is up 8%, and Pepe 69%. The market is responding very nicely. The top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization is still unchanged. We still have Solana sitting at number 10. Polkadot has fallen down to number 12. Dogecoin is at number 8. Dogecoin is up 4% over the last 7 days. Tron has walked into the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. It's up 7% over the last 7 days. Mainstay in the top 10, Cardano is there, up 8%. XRP down 1.2% over the last 7 days. We have Ethereum up 8%, and the king of the market, Bitcoin, up 13% over the last 7 days. If you take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart, Bitcoin's next target should be around the $32,500 region. Guys, if we see Bitcoin rallying towards $32,000, a lot of market participants will start catching FOMO. We will now start seeing extreme greed return to the cryptocurrency market. Right now, we have seen greed slowly return to the cryptocurrency market, which is good to see. We have been seeing neutral sentiment in the market and fear in the market over the last 3 months. But as Bitcoin started breaking towards $30,000, as we saw all coins in the market catching a bounce off the bottom, greed has returned back to the market. If we see extreme greed return to the market, guys, that may be a telltale sign that this rally is coming to an end. But for now, it's up only. Take a look at the king of all coins in the market, Ethereum, trading around the $1,873 region. Ethereum from $800 where we dropped to in June of 2022 has rallied up by more than 110%. Another important level to watch out for Ethereum over the next few days will be the $2,200 level. If Ethereum get there, I'll not be shocked if we face resistance there or at least consolidate there for a number of days. Another important metrics we have been tracking in this crypto market has been Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has been pumping to higher values, and that's good to see. That's good for Bitcoin holders. But if you're holding an altcoin, guys, that is actually good, but not now. Now, if Bitcoin dominance is increasing the market, it means Bitcoin is either pumping or Bitcoin is not dumping as the rest of the market, or Bitcoin is moving sideways and the rest of the market is dumping to gobbling town. As Bitcoin dominance is increasing right now, Bitcoin is pumping, And when this dominance is done, when we start facing resistance, which I believe we might do before we get to the 55% region, we might see a mini alt season, or guys, we might even see a full-blown alt season. Now, a lot of people have been hearing this concept in the cryptocurrency market, alt season, alt season. When will alt season happen? Guys, alt season will happen when altcoins start outperforming Bitcoin. If 70 of the top 50 cryptocurrencies better perform, if 75% of the top 50 cryptocurrencies perform better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days, that's an altcoin season. If Bitcoin is performing better than those top 50 cryptocurrencies, that is a Bitcoin season. Right now we're in Bitcoin season. Bitcoin season has always been a good time to accumulate altcoins in the past. If you go back in time and you see that anytime we're in Bitcoin season, if you check the charts, that has been a good time to accumulate altcoins. So right now we're in Bitcoin season. We can't be in Bitcoin season forever. At some point in time, we're going to rally to an altcoin season. On a monthly time frame too, we're heavily in Bitcoin season. And even if you go on the yearly time frame, guys, we are still in Bitcoin season. So even though Bitcoin is pumping right now, altcoins might be the play in the coming days and in the coming weeks. The stock crypto market cap stands above $1 trillion. We're trading at the $1.14 trillion level. Our yearly high right now sits around the $1.267 trillion level. We got there way back in March. Bitcoin was at $31,000. Right now, Bitcoin is almost at $31,000, and the rest of the market has not pushed as high as it was trading in April of 2023. But that's good news. That means altcoins still have a lot of catching up to do. And the next few days, in the next few weeks, if we see the altcoins rallying, if we see the altcoin market going crazy, pumping to higher prices, guys, that might just be a telltale sign that this bear market rally is coming to an end. Altcoins always pump last. So right now, as Bitcoin is pumping, as Ethereum is pumping, always believe in the altcoin pump. The altcoin market from the bottom is barely up more than 40%. Altcoin market from the bottom is up 13%. Bitcoin is up around 80 to 90%. Ethereum is up around 100%. So I'll not be shocked to see the altcoin market catching up to Bitcoin over the next few months. Let's take a look at the top gainers and the top losers in the last 24 hours in the cryptocurrency market. In the gainer section, guys, we have Blah is up 21%. Bitcoin Cash continues its rally to the upside. Bitcoin Cash has seen a 12% increase over the last 24 hours. Arbitrum, Immutable X, GYDX, and Mina all in the gainer section. If we go to the loser section, Near Protocol had a 6% loss over the last 24 hours. Canva, BitDAO, Stacks, and Cardano make up other big losers in the market over the last 24 hours. Now, liquidations in the market have been increasing. Right now, a lot of market participants are still trying to predict the direction of the market. In the last 24 hours, over 31,000 traders have been liquidated, with the total liquidation value coming in at $86 million. The largest liquidation happened on OKX. One trader was liquidated for $946,000. Be careful out there, guys. Leverage is very, very dangerous. You can wipe out all your stash very, very quickly. Now, let's take a look at some news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Crazy news. When the market is pumping, there's always optimistic news. When the market is dumping, we're always seeing more reasons why we should continue going to Goblin Town. Venture capital financing in crypto explained, break down the ongoing token impersonation scams with DeFi. Guys, be careful out there. A lot of scams are going around. What news stories is making though flow into the cryptocurrency market? Bull markets makes money, bear markets make opportunity. We've always told you guys to invest heavily deep in the bear market. Which other news stories going to get attention this morning? Optimism network transactions studied 67% following Bedrock upgrade. We're going to be taking a look at that story. Singapore Central Bank reports on tokenized asset network model after trials. US lawmaker calls for info from Treasury and SEC on crypto market structure bills. We've been on this grind, the SEC versus crypto, and we saw the SEC suing Coinbase and Binance, and luckily for us, 1 week later, BlackRock was there filing for an ETF, which has given us renewed optimism, which has given us a huge pump to the upside. US House banned members from using all chatbots except ChatGPT Plus. Interesting to see. Guys, it's always funny to see when a new technology comes out and we start hearing, don't do this, don't do that. Guys, it's just technology. Robinhood to ask 7% of its full-time staffs in latest round of layoffs. It looks as the bear market is not over for Robinhood. Binance Australia got 12 hours notice before it was debunked. Guys, It looks as if there's a coordinated attack on Binance. We're seeing them withdraw from a lot of countries right now, and we're seeing them withdraw from Netherlands, France, and we're hearing news that Australia just give them a 6 hours notice before they actually opt them. Crazy to see. FTX splurge on cartoon book. FTX splurge on cartoon book about humans and pineapple. That's what their CEO is saying. And news stories reaching us is that FTX saw over $7.6 billion worth of liquid asset. Now let's look at those news stories. Optimism network transactions surged 67% following Bedrock upgrade. The Optimism Layer 2 network saw less than 300,000 transactions per day around the time of the upgrade, but this number has increased to over 500,000 afterwards. Will that make the price of Optimism increasing to higher prices? Guys, Velodrome Finance, another huge project in the Optimism network. Check that out. Singapore Central Bank reports on tokenized asset network model after trials. 3 trials use cases have been completed as part of the project, and the report uses them as a framework for consideration of financial markets. US lawmaker calls for info from Treasury and SEC on crypto market structure bills. Rep. Max Iwosa gave Janet Yellen and Gary Gensler a deadline of June 30 to respond to her request on digital market structure bill proposed by Republicans. And FTX has recovered $7 billion in assets so far, has almost $2 billion to go to cover misappropriation. Tracing fund is highly challenging according to the FTX debtor's second interim report, and there's no doubt that that was the design. It's good to see a lot of people might get their money eventually. Judges denies motion from Binance regarding alleged misleading SEC statement. The legal team for Binance, Binance.US and CZ filed a motion for the court to order SEC to comply with applicable rules of conduct following alleged misleading statements. US House banned members from using all chatbots except ChatGPT Plus. The ban comes less than a week after the House proposed a bill to create a federal artificial intelligence commission. Swiss Central Bank announced plans for wholesale CBDCs with real money. Thomas Jordan, head of Swiss National Bank, announced the project at a conference in Zurich. Bank still feels prudent about a retail CBDC dose. Guys, do you see the market going into a bull market? We have been seeing altcoins pumping off the bottom. Bitcoin is having some huge rallies, and there's optimism returning in the market. But are we still going to leave all these bad stories behind us? The BlackRock ETF can only take us that far. Binance Australia got 12 hours notice before it was debunked. Binance Australia head Ben Rose claimed the exchange got less than a day warning from his payment partners before it was cut off from the local banking system in May. Firms managing $27 trillion in assets are embracing crypto. The top 8 financial institutions with an interest in Bitcoin and crypto have a whopping $27 trillion in combined assets under management. Australian bank claims 40% of scam touch crypto as a defense restriction. During a panel at the Australian Blockchain Week, executives from Australian major banks explained why they added restrictions on payments to local crypto exchanges. Crazy news stories in the cryptocurrency world. There's at least optimism in the market. Total crypto market cap is sitting above $1 trillion. Bitcoin dominance is rising above 51%. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the market, has seen a push towards $1,900. And let's take a look at what the biggest gainer of the week is doing. Bitcoin Cash has been turning heads. Bitcoin Cash has been going to higher prices. Bitcoin Cash has gone from as low as $97. Bitcoin Cash has rallied in the space of 2 weeks above $200, getting to as high as $220. Bitcoin Cash went from $99 to as high as $220, all in about 2 weeks. Crazy things. We have seen Bitcoin Cash erase all the losses we made since May of 2022. The crypto market can be very volatile. Huge swings to the downside. Also, huge swings to the upside can happen very quickly. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see us heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are you still buying more altcoins? How high do you see Bitcoin rallying to? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.